Hey, party fire pit people, Jonathan, Montana Fire Pits. In this video, I'm going to describe more about sort of the components and the modularity of the Crossfire Burner. Here you go! So we know the basic configuration of the Crossfire Burner is modular. What does that mean? It means it's made up of components, and those components can be added together to make the different configurations. We have different size nipples with a hex head, the jets, the T's, the smaller nipples, everything to all fit together to make the different sizes and configurations. So whether it is the original H style, linear, tree style, double tree style, radial, you get the idea. Each one of these is just configured out of these modular parts to make a different flame pattern is what it comes down to. The 250,000 original versus the 280,000 octagonal. Now, if you look closely on the website, you're going to see that it's just a difference in configuration of the jets. The octagonal is to create a more round flame, but all of which are jets pointing in towards each other to create the crossfire. Something important to note is that all burners up to 290,000 BTUs are made from half-inch stock. After that, it goes to 3/4. So again, recap: modular, pieces, parts, jets, T's, fittings. It all goes to create the different configurations and different sizes and different BTU ratings of the Crossfire Burner. I hope that helps. MontanaFirePits.com to research and buy your own. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, like, comment, share. Thank you so much. Talk to you guys soon.